Hi guys, Santos here from Approval Studio, and this is the new release notes video where I tell you about the new features we introduced to Approval Studio in September 2024. But before that, I want to say thank you to all those people who contacted us after the previous release where we introduced workflow automation. I should say it was a blast. We received so many feedback, so much support from you, and I promise that we take into consideration all your requests and you will see the new enhancements to the workflow automation in the next release in November 2024. Now, let's talk about this release. As you know, while preparing the new update to Approval Studio, we always focus on three things. First is to bring you the new functionality. Second one is to bring the enhancement to the existing functionality based on your requests. And third is customization, because we know that you love it. So let's talk about the new feature. It's called External User Subscription and is available in Pro version only. Let's say you have a file you want to share with an external user, and when entering their email address, you get the new checkbox here that says Allow to subscribe to asset changes. Turning this on, you will allow your external users to subscribe to all the upcoming changes to this asset. For example, new annotations or new replies to annotations or a new file version uploaded. While reviewing the file, your reviewer can go to right upper corner, hit subscribe button and select what type of annotation they would like to receive. And from the project itself, you can go to More, Manage External Subscription and see all those users that are currently subscribed to your asset. And of course, you can remove the subscribers. I hope you like this new feature and can't wait to hear your feedback about this functionality. Let's talk about the enhancements. As you might know, in Approval Studio we have two types of the review mode. The first one is the standard mode where you have several files and you're always working with the latest file version. But there is also a selective review mode where you can send a bunch of files and the reviewer needs to select one or two that will be approved and other files will be rejected. That's useful when you have several design options and you send them to the client for them to pick the best option. So in previous version that was per company setting, meaning that this setting would influence all those projects that you have. So all the project would be either in the standard mode or in the selective review mode. This September we bring the per session setting for a selective review mode. So again, when you share the file, you hit Create External Review button and you will be able to decide whether this specific session will be in standard mode by default or it will be a selective approval mode. Thanks again for helping us to make this improvement because it was totally inspired by you. And finally, let's talk about the customizations. In Approval Studio, we have two types of notifications. External notifications, those that you send to your clients, for example, a review invitation, and they have always been customizable. But there are also internal notifications, those messages that system sends to you and your teammates, and they have always been generic. So in this update, we bring the ability to customize almost all the emails that you have in the system. Simply navigate to Company Management, Notifications, and you will see a brand new section here, Custom Internal Notifications. In here, you can customize all the messages and not just with the static data, but also with dynamic values. For example, in this template, you can set up the company logo, username, project name, asset name, or even annotation text. So you can customize all the messages that system sends to you with the fullest data you need. We hope you enjoy the new release. We can't wait to hear your feedback. And again, thank you for helping us to improve Approval Studio. Cheers!